wide open, you'll find it is no secret what God can do. The chimes of time bring us the news another day is true. Someone sleep and fell. Was that someone you? She may have longed for ages, strangled courage to renew. Do not be disheartened, for I have news for you. It is no secret what God can do. What He's done for others, He'll do for you. With arms wide open, He'll pull you. It is no secret what God can do. There is no night for His light. You'll never walk the roads, always feel at home. Whenever you may roam, there's no power can conquer you. While God is on your side, take Him at His promise. Don't run.